my name is Loren Hart. I am a receptionist here at Shaheen Chevrolet and Shaheen Cadillac. I've been here for 3 years. I started out as a custodian and now I do this. Answering phones, prepping paperwork for the scanners, greeting customers, finding people when they need them. The fun we have. Like Ann and I, we have a lot of fun. Terry and I, we have a lot of fun. I have fun with all the employees. It helps that you know people when you first started here, so getting the transition to receptionist. So Halloween, that has always been my favorite. I decorate my house like crazy. I decorate the outside. It drives my husband crazy, but he lives with it. So, and my kid seems to like it. I do try to dress up every year if I can. We go to at least 2 Halloween parties if we can. Other than that, yeah, it's always Halloween. I don't know if this would be a historical event, but Live Aid with Queen. I love Freddie Mercury. I don't think I was alive at that time. Well, I was, but I was little. And when they made the movie, my husband took me to see it before I had surgery. And I was so excited because I thought it was about time they made one about the greatest singer out there. So, and I love Queen and I love Freddie Mercury. So, yep, that'd be one I would love to witness. Honestly, it'd be Johnny Depp. I do have an Edward Scissorhands tattoo on my arm. If I could ever meet him, I would have him sign it so I could get that tattooed with it. And he's always been my favorite actor. But yeah, he's my favorite and he always will be.